Friday, July 26, 2024. Saints Joki and Anna. Focus. The cares of the world and the deceitfulness of riches choke the word, and it proves unfruitful. I plunged in today's gospel eager to gain new insights for a reflective peace. However, distractions repeatedly intruded and hindered my progress. Pressing matters, the doorbell, a phone call, wrong number, and anxious thoughts plagued my efforts. Frustration and self-doubt clouded my mind, leading me to question my ability as a writer. In despair, I finally turned to prayer, seeking clarity and peace. When it dawned on me that I had neglected to seek the guidance of the Holy Spirit for my meditation, I realized my reliance had been on personal wisdom and effort rather than on divine inspiration. This showed both vanity and pride and bore out Jesus' warning about distractions, external and internal. My failure stemmed from a lack of faith in God's ability to light up the scriptures. Think of Saints Joki and Anna. They nurtured Mary's deep faith. That was their investment. How do we invest in our children? Do we focus solely on education and wealth? Or do we impart unwavering faith as their true inheritance? Our investments will bear fruit in due course. As the saying goes, a fruit does not fall far from the tree. Fruit. Let us work on our soil to grow trees of faith that have deep roots so that they can stand firm in the face of every storm.